IBP process that brings together now sales and marketing, finance and supply chain. And supply chain, what's good to note here is that supply chain for us includes two major organizations: sourcing, so green coffee sourcing, and the productions, actually the production facilities.
The interesting thing is that customers will pay a premium, but it's no longer enough just to claim that you're sustainable. What they want to see in order to pay that premium is companies that integrate this into their business model, so this is not just a thing they do on the side.
I would say that those customer cases, they are the most important cases for us to see that how other industries are using the same tools, and maybe if there's something that we can also take into our best practices. It's nice to see different kind of customers and yeah, how they operate with the tool.
Yeah, so I love the World Tour because there are so many customers from so many different industries. And what I found extremely interesting to see is that sometimes there is a new use of the Quintiq software for a specific component of a planning puzzle, but that can be used by multiple companies as well. And I think this synergy is key for a successful event.